a process, process process with a nice value, something called minus 20 was. Let's say minus 20. But how you write the statement? Simple. So first of all, start with nice, okay, hyphen n. So provide something called minus 20. This is a nice value. Okay, afterwards, simple, a program name. Program name, that's all. Starting means what? Just the nano program name, that's all. That means what? You are trying to do something inside this program. We have given a proper nice value for this program. Simple. For our understanding purpose, I am telling you just start your program like this. Start with process like this. Program name, just because this is not something called practice session. This is not real-time application execution purpose. But real-time application, there are so many applications, so many processes. Yes, but same thing is also available inside real-time boss. Simple. Same commands, same arguments, same nice values, right? Nice hyphen n minus 20 nano program name. So nice hyphen n or minus 20 nano program program, sorry, something called payment, that's all, over. So this is the statement which is executing by this Mr. person. What is this? Paparov. Yes, Paparov is executing the statement inside their terminal, that's all. This is the priority value 20 or nice value 20, let's say nice value 20, right? But we have supplied a nice value 20, but priority value will be different, boss. I'll show you, sir. We are very much in confusion state. Sometimes you are calling as a priority, sometimes you are calling as a nice value. What is this, sir? Just 5 minutes, that's all. For 5 minutes, only 5 minutes, right? So now, nice, but display the nice. Oh, display nice. Display nice. Okay, how you display nice? So for example, to display the nice, simple, yes, boss, PS, PS, O, something called PID, something called COMM, something called yes, boss, NICE, nice, that's all. Now you get the output like something PID, okay, so COMM, and NI. Ni means what? Nice value. Like this, we'll get the output was something. So PID means what? 5436. So command means what? Payment. Payment. That means what? Process name. That's all. Command, program, process name. That's all. Same thing. So Ni means what? Ni means hyphen 20. Like this, we will get the output. But if you use a O option, only O option, this is local for you. That's all. This is local for you. No. I want to display all the process and nice values for all the terminals and everything. Just add A. You know very well about A. So A means what, friends? Simple. PS, okay. A, O, PID, CO, MMNIC. That's all. So this is the statement which gives you, this is a statement which giving you simple understanding purpose, and also it is displaying you all the used terminals, nice values and commands and everything. AO, that's all. So first statement is what? Number one. The second statement is what? Number two. So we will hands on all these things, no problem. Okay, right. We will do hands-on all these things, no problem, friends, right? So now, that means what? This is what? Checking the nice value. Nice value. Sir, okay, sir. Understood very well. Sir, first of all, nice value setting. This is a nice value setting. This is a nice value displaying. Display the nice value. This is a local purpose. This statement is local purpose. This is for all terminals purpose. Oh, I added A. Other terminals users also will be displayed on the screen because of number 2. Okay, right. Now, understanding very clearly. Excellent. Now, I'll come to a priority. I'll come to priority. Boss, the priority, this is a nice, leave it at that or forget about that. Now, you'll come to priority. Very important, very important concept. After using the automation tools, this will be very helpful to you. All these things all are same thing available in the tools only. All the things are available in the tools only. That time you will not understand each and everything. That's why this is a very important session for you people. Okay, right. Boss, see, priority for, okay, priority for, yes, kernel scheduler understanding purpose we are calling as a priority. But boss, kernel understanding as kernel scheduler purpose we are calling as a priority, but the priority value also different. Okay, this value will be understood by kernel scheduler. Oh, priority value different. Yes, priority value different. This will be understood by kernel scheduler. That's all. Okay, everything internally taken by kernel scheduler only. Scheduler. But sir, what is the priority ranges? Please tell me. So priority ranges. So priority ranges something called 0 to 39. Oh, 0 to 39 is the priority. But 0 to 39 means what? First, second, third. What is this first, second, third? So first means low priority, a normal priority, high priority. Same way, normal priority, low priority, high priorities. Okay. Boss, here observe carefully. Simple 0 to 19. Okay. 0 to 19. Value from 0 to 19. Okay. Okay. 20. Only 20. So 21 to 39. 21 to 39. Priority values ranges from the priority value. So 0 to 39 total priority and 0 to 19 first, second, third. So what is the first priority? 0 to 19. Yes, 0 to 19 we call as a high priority. In a kernel scheduler point of view, this will be calling as a high priority, PRIO, high priority, 0 to 19. Okay. But what about 20, sir? 20. Yes, 20 means what? Normal priority. PRIORITY, normal priority. 21 to 39. Sir, 21 to 39. Oh, low priority, something called low priority. Okay, this will understood by kernel. All the kernel scheduler. Yes, this value, okay, will be understood by kernel scheduler, not by user. No. User perspective, nice value. Oh. Kernel perspective, internally they are maintaining this type of priority values. Kernel scheduler point of view, this is the values. High priority, low priority. Sir, if I provide a nice value, automatically the kernel will be, converting all these details. Yes. If you provide a nice value, internally the kernel scheduler will be converting to this value only, internal purpose. Just for, our understanding purpose, we are talking as a nice value, 10, 20, minus 20, like that. But kernel understanding purpose, all these things will be converted as something called this way. Oh, this way can understand by simple kernel scheduler. Yes. But not nice value. Okay, internally it is acting like that, simple. It will be converting like that. So kernel scheduler is the responsible person, all the things, okay, which are carrying inside a kernel. Oh, who is the kernel, sir? He is an assistant from kernel. Kernel is a main core part of operating system. Kernel is a main part of operating system who takes care of all the responsibilities. Okay, under kernel, one more guy is available. One more component is available. That component or assistant name is your kernel scheduler. Okay, which will be taking care of all this priority scheduling. Okay, all this priority scheduling. So that means what, sir? Sir, do one thing. This is priority value. But how the nice value will be adding this priority value? Simple. They have given formula also, boss. They have given formula also. So that formula is what, boss? Something called priority is equal to nice value plus 20. Oh, adding 20 plus nice value giving you priority. That's all. Okay, okay. Suppose, sir, for example, priority. Nice value plus 20. Nothing but what? Priority. Calculating as a priority. That's all. So nice value, suppose if I supply 10 boss, okay. If I supply 10, nice value is equal to 10 boss for this payment program. Now just you tell me what is the priority value for this payment? Yes, yes, friends.
Okay, sir.
Yes, nice value is nothing but what? 10. This is what? 20 must be added. Total how much, boss? 30. What is the priority? Internal priority, 30. But 30 is a low priority or a high priority or normal priority? Tell me, boss.
Low priority. Low
That
priority.
means what? See, I said very clearly 0 to 19 high priority. I said very clearly, okay. 0 to 19 high priority. 20, yes, which priority? Normal priority. So 21 to something called 39, low priority. This is what? Understanding by the kernel scheduler. So if you want to convert this nice value as into priority, just use this formula. They have given this formula to calculating the priority. This priority will be, understood by kernel scheduler. Simple usage. Okay, priority is equal to nice value. So one thing I'll tell you. So if nice value is equal to something nice value, something called minus 10 boss, minus 10. Nice value how much? Minus 10. So then calculate the priority. Nice value I have given 10 for that is called something called, this is payment, this is a deposit program. Oh, I have given nice value 10 for a deposit program or process. Then calculate the priority. Calculate it. How much was?
10, sir.
10.
Huh? Minus 10.
10 priority.
But you must add 20. But how much the priority value?
10.
10. Okay, 10. 10 is the lowest priority or high priority?
High priority.
0 to 19, nothing but high priority. That's all. This is internal calculation, boss. That's all. This is an internal calculation. That's it. Okay. This calculation can be done by kernel scheduler, everything responsible person. Such a way that the operating system creators created kernel also. Yes, kernel very important. That's why. Okay, simple. Yes, you people understood very well and very clearly, some of the people. But anyway, kernel understanding, a scheduler purpose, we are we are calculating priority value like this. This priority value, yes, will be understanding by something people is kernel scheduler, right? So priority value is the internal representation used by the kernel. Priority value, yes, boss. Priority value will be the internal process, internal representation by using by scheduler. Okay, for actual process scheduling purpose, kernel scheduler using this priority value. Actual scheduling purpose or process, we are using this priority. That's all. Okay. So, okay, understood, sir. Very well. But nice is the user understanding purpose. Okay, nice is the user understanding purpose. NICE, nice is the user understanding purpose. Okay, right. Okay. But what about something called nice priority? Priority. What is the priority? Yes, priority.
Kernel and
Ah,
kernel.
kernel scheduler understanding purpose. That's all. Okay, sir. Okay, this is an actual process. Simple, nice value. Sir, can you display the nice value and priority value? Is it possible? Yes, possible. Sir, how you display the nice value and priority value? Just to write the statement for that. Simple, very simple. So, if you want to display the nice value and a priority value, just to write a statement like, previous statement we have written simple PSAOS, something called PAD, comma, something called, you can write arguments or COMM command, comma, nice, comma, PRIORITY. That's all. Oh, what is the output, sir? Output. Simple output. Now you will get the output like a PAD. Afterwards, you said very clearly COMM command. Okay. Afterwards, you said very clearly nice. Afterwards, you said very clearly PRIORITY. So this priority short form is PR. That's all. Nice short form is NI. Oh, what is the difference between the priority and nice? Tell me, boss. Simple answer. Just take this question and take this answer. Very, very dead easy, boss. So, PID. This is what PID. Now, PID in the sense what? 3, 4, 5, 6. Current is nothing but what? Something called payment. Okay. Nice value is nothing but what? Minus 10. Sorry. Simple. Minus 10. Like that. So the priority value, how much, boss? 10? Minus,
10.
yes, 10. That's all. Like this, the priority value and nice value will be displayed by using this statement. This is a statement, okay, which we need to execute for that. Simple statement. Simple. Okay. Yes, boss. Okay. Check the priority. Sir, do one thing. Can I reset or rename the priority? Reset the priority? Yes, you can. So setting the priority is different. Reset the priority is what? Renice. 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 We can change the nice value. Okay, renice is the command which is used to change the nice value. So how you change the nice value? Simple, renice. Set the nice value or rename the change the nice value. See, renice. Something called, suppose let's say uh, something called process ID. Process ID. Yes, that means what? Which process ID? we need to change something. Very, very simple process. Each process ID. Okay, like that, we can change the 3, 4, 3, 4. See, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the process ID. Sir, where is the nice value? You forgot to write the nice value, sir. Yes, something called 0. Okay, 15. Okay, 15. Oh, 15 is the nice value. Something. Or you can say negative 15, or you can say positive 15. No problem. But you are setting for which process ID, which process? Payment process. This is what changing or modifying the value. Changing or modifying the value, boss. That's all. Changing and modifying the values. Okay, sir, just to show me how to do the task simple. Okay, so you understood, you people understanding very clearly, I think so. But see, kernel scheduler is working internally. Think like that. Okay, kernel scheduler is working internally. Think like that. This is assistant of kernel. Okay, kernel. So the main task of kernel is what? Simple. I'll see. I'll give you more clarity. Suppose, boss, suppose this is CPU. Oh, one core CPU is nothing but only one CPU, boss. That's all. Sir, 10 core CPU, how much? How many, sir? You will get 10 CPUs. Oh, 10 CPUs. That's it, 10 CPUs. 10 core means what? 10 CPU. 1 core means what? 1 CPU. Sir, if I take 100 core CPU, how many CPUs I can get, sir? 100 CPUs. Oh, inside your server, your CPU capacity 100. Count is what? 100 CPUs are available inside your server. 100 CPUs. Oh, that's what? 100 CPUs. That means there are 100 CPUs inside your server. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means what? Multiple CPUs, okay, can be executed by multiple process. Oh, like this, the processor coming for execution purpose. The processor coming, boss. First process come to this place. Second process come to this place. Third process come to this place. Fourth process come to this place. Fifth process come to this place. Sixth process. Array, sir, who is the person controlling this load? There are 100 core CPU also available. 100 or 2000 requests are coming, 2000 processor running, in the waiting state or in the something called ready state. But who is controlling all this queues, all this something called process? Because there are only 100 CPUs, but in this queue, there are 2000 programs or processors available. But how to control all these things? Yes, our person, our assistant, scheduler, kernel scheduler will be acting like as a load balancer. That's all. Okay. Yes. Kernel scheduler is having the load balancer capability. That's all. That means what is the person who is controlling all the process, which process come and which process, queue, which process, something. Yes, everything will be taken care by a scheduler. That's all. That means what processor also, that means controlled by this scheduler. Hey, go to this place. Hey, go to this second CPU. Hey, go to fourth CPU. Hey, go to 100 score 100 CPU. Go to 50 CPU, because 50 CPU is empty. Definitely, yes, this fellow will be sending this process into 50 CPU. That's all. Otherwise, all the processes are coming, all the programs are coming, and 100 core CPU will be, yes, definitely crash. Our server will be crash, definitely. That's why is the controller, boss, is a mediator, is a load balancer. That's it. This is the distribute the load. Okay, between multiple CPUs. Load means what? Programs. These programs will be distributed to multiple CPUs that will be taken care by kernel scheduler only. Okay. Yes, this is an internal process. That's all. Internal process only. This is the internal process. Distribute the process across multiple CPUs to get the server performance. Who is the person? Controlling or distributing or load, balancing all the process? Yes, scheduler. What is the name? Kernel scheduler is acting like as a load balancer. That's okay. That's what we are maintaining. Yes, 50 core CPU also good, 100 core CPU also good, 200 core CPU also good. But because we have a load balancer, that load balancer name is what? Kernel scheduler. This is the load balancer for responsible person is kernel only. It provides a time for the CPU. That's all. It provides time for the CPU. You people well aware of all these things.